In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome crashed error in Windows. If Chrome keeps freezing or showing a crash message, these quick fixes inside the browser can clear out problem files, rule out extension issues, and help Chrome run more smoothly. Start by opening Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots to open the main menu. This menu is where most of Chrome's tools live, so we'll use it to get into the settings that affect performance. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens a new tab with Chrome's full settings panel. On the left side, choose Privacy and Security. Crashes are often caused by corrupted cached files or cookies, so we'll clear them out next. Click Clear Browsing Data. A small window will appear. Set the time range to all time for the most thorough cleanup, or choose a shorter range if you prefer. Make sure cached images and files is selected. Cookies and other site data can also help to clear, but be aware this may sign you out of some sites. When you're ready, click Delete Data and let Chrome finish the cleanup. This removes temporary files that can trigger glitches and crashes. Next, we'll check extensions. Go back to the three-dot menu and click on Extensions to open the Extensions page. Extensions are helpful, but a single outdated or conflicting extension can crash the entire browser. On the Extensions page, disable all extensions by turning off each toggle. This is temporary and safe. You can re-enable them later. Disabling everything gives you a clean slate to test if Chrome stabilizes. If the crashing stops, you can turn extensions back on one by one later to find the culprit. Now return to Settings. On the left sidebar, click Performance. Here, enable Memory Saver. This feature frees up system resources from inactive tabs, so your active tab runs more smoothly. If your computer doesn't have a lot of memory, this can make a noticeable difference in stability. You can also review the options to keep certain sites always active if you rely on them, but the default settings work well for most people. At this point, try browsing as you normally would. If Chrome was crashing because of corrupted cache or a misbehaving extension, it should feel more stable. If you turned off all extensions, remember you can carefully re-enable the ones you trust one at a time and watch for any return of the issue. And keep Memory Saver on to prevent future slowdowns and crashes. That's it. Simple steps to get Chrome steady again on Windows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to browsing without interruptions.